Bros, welcome back to the channel into this beautiful new week. I hope you're feeling blessed and strong. I just finished at the gym and I was like, I gotta share this with the guys. I gotta tell them about the new super powerful thing that I've been adding to my life. Right here, guys, garlic. That's right, raw garlic too. You might hear me just say it split second in another video. This is the monk mode sensu bean. All right, this bad boy right here. What you're gonna do, I want you guys to try this for the week. So run out, get some garlic. You guys might want to invest in garlic. It's gonna shoot through the roof. Go and get some raw garlic, and at night you're gonna chop it up 4 little pieces. Maybe do about 2 to 3 cloves. Okay? You chop it up, you throw it back, drink your water, swallow it, and go to sleep. This is gonna eliminate the bad breath that it gives you from, munching it down. And then you're gonna wake up, I'm telling you, this entire week, any mucus I would have, somehow wake up, look, just got a little mucus stuck in there, like a little demon. And this knocked it out, all right? I'm sort of like allergic to cats. It's kind of like helping with that allergy. It lowers blood pressure, lowers the bad cholesterol. And one of my favorite things is that when I'm in the gym, like the last couple of days, my endurance has just been through the roof. Like I feel like I have way more stamina. All right, so give this a shot. Nature's Viagra, man. Like I was eating some Asian food and I was like, wow, I gotta get a hold of this because the boners were just too unreal. All right, so that's just one benefit. And I'm not saying this is gonna get you laid because of the way that it makes you smell. Because most people think that, your breath is going to smell because of the garlic. But they did a study where they had guys eat garlic for like a week straight. And they had women smell their undershirts. And they actually said the guys, they didn't see them, they just smelled. So by smelling them, they said that these guys were more attractive. Okay, so I don't know, do it for the right reasons. But that could be an added benefit. So guys, very cheap. $2.50 I paid for this. Lasts you forever. And it's I know you probably don't like garlic, but just throw it back, swallow it, go to sleep, and see how it heals you. All right, the medicinal properties of this thing, mind-blowing. They can help cure diseases, man. They help you you're not gonna get sick. The rate of getting sick on garlic, it goes down by 60%. Your cold time cut over half. All right, nature's blessed us with this beautiful thing. Give it a shot. All right, guys, let's start this week off strong, healthy, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.